In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a ClickUp client delivery workflow from scratch. By the end, you'll have a clean, repeatable system to manage every client project from onboarding through final delivery, all in one place. First, open ClickUp in your browser or the desktop app and log in. Give your workspace a moment to load so you're starting from a clean view. This ensures everything you create lands in the right place and is visible to your team. Next, create a dedicated space for client work. Click Spaces, choose Add Space and name it Client Delivery. Enabling lists. Here is important because lists will hold the tasks and deliverables for each client and each phase. Think of the space as your command center, keeping client work separate from internal operations. Inside that space, create a folder for each client. Clear naming is your friend. Use names like Client ABC or Client XYZ so everything stays easy to scan. Consistency helps when you're reporting or filtering across multiple clients. Within each client folder, set up lists that mirror your delivery phases. Create onboarding for tasks that get you started, production for the actual creation work, review for client approvals and feedback, and final delivery for the wrap-up and handoff. This structure gives you a predictable path for every engagement and makes handoffs between team members straightforward. By the way, if you need the app or prefer the web version, there's a link at the top of the description to get ClickUp. Use that to download the desktop app or jump straight into the website. Now add tasks for your deliverables and milestones. Create items like design draft, content creation, approval meeting and final handoff. Use clear titles and concise descriptions so anyone on the team can understand the scope at a glance. If it helps, attach reference files or outline a simple checklist inside the task to capture smaller action items. Add custom fields to elevate your tracking. Include client name for filtering, assign team member so ownership is obvious, deadline to drive scheduling, priority to highlight urgency, and status for quick progress snapshots. These fields keep everyone aligned without digging through each task. Set task statuses to reflect your workflow. Not started, in progress, needs review, and completed. These statuses create a shared language across the team and map cleanly to how work moves from creation to approval to delivery. Finally, monitor the delivery workflow. Switch between list and board views to see tasks by phase or by status, and use dashboards for a high-level overview of deadlines and workload. Regularly review this view to catch bottlenecks early and keep delivery on schedule. That's it. You now have a ClickUp workflow for client delivery management that keeps your agency organized and ensures smooth project execution. Thanks for watching.